So in this video we will create and edit a new goods owner, and you reach that page under administration and goods owners, and this is where I'm currently at. First off, let's explain what a goods owner is. It's a customer to the warehouse, whether it's an internal or external customer, depending on if you're a 3PL or not. And I can show it here by going to the order list, and now I am at the goods owner called Demo English, and I have one set of orders here. And if I go to another one called Demo Swedish, you'll see that I have a totally different set of orders here. And this propagates to all pages that it can propagate to. So all the article registry, for example, you'll see that I have different one here as I do in the Demo English one. And same goes for the purchase order list, for example. Here I have my Swedish one, and on the English one you'll see that it's slightly different. The names might be similar, however. So that's what you need to know about a goods owner, is that you can create as many as you want and they will be completely separated. Let's go and show you how to create a new one. Go to administration and goods owners and click this button, create new goods owner. And here I will give it a name, and that's the only thing that is forced, and I will mark it with test here, and I will also check this box, used for training or test. So you should check this if you're actually only using it as a test goods owner. And in my case I am, and I will also explain a little bit what that means. For example, the stock of this, the warehouse stock of this goods owner won't be visible to your in another goods owner system, for example. If you want to introduce a new person to the system, or then a new goods owner, you put in the email address here. Here we have our GDPR compliance. If you need a GDPR data controller, you put in the name and email. And here is the customer data that we per default are removing. So this here, and if you have this checkbox, this information will be deleted after 180 days. And here you have a checkbox, show all fields. We're going to use this one, the logo, in a bit, but here is some information, and I suggest that if you need to use or want to use any of these, do it in collaboration with your customer responsible software engineer at Ongoing. So we are creating our goods owner here, a goods owner test, and now we have a new one up in this menu. So I go to, for example, go back to the order list, and now I am at my Demo English goods owner, and if I go to this one, I have nothing in here, or there's nothing there. So I go back to my English one, and here you see a logo for the system. If I check an order here and go to the delivery note and print that out, I will get that specific logo. If you want another logo, you can go to the goods owner in question, the Demo English one, edit it, and then insert the logo that you want. And I want this one. So click save, and now I have another logo. And when I click update, and if I go back to the order list and print out the delivery note, then you'll see that I have this logo instead. Finally, I'd like to show what happens with the test goods owner. So for example, let's see, I have another one that is a test goods owner, the training customer here. And if I go to the warehouse map, and here I am with the Demo English one, this is the stock that I have. And if I click this checkbox, show all goods owners, I will see also the quantity of the stock for the other goods owners, in this case Demo Swedish. However, if I go to the training customer here, that is a test customer, you will see that I have 4 items here in this aisle. But this is not visible when I am at my Demo English goods owner. Then because the training customer is a test goods owner, I can't see the stock right there. So that's good to know when you work with a test goods owner. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.